Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your class. In last class, already we have discussed about some points regarding heat energy. Okay. Today we will discuss what is the combustion, what is the substance and combustion. Okay. What is combustion? We know that if we provide the heat energy to a substance or a matter, it will start, or fire, it will start to change their state. Okay. So we can see in our surroundings, atmospheres, there are many substances that can catch fire easily in the presence of oxygen or air. For example, charcoal, dry wood, dry cloths, okay, paper, etc. These are the substances or matter which can easily catch the fire in the presence of oxygen or air. So these type of substance is called what? These type of substance is called, okay, means these are called inflammable substance or combustible substance, and the process means the burning of substance in the presence of air or oxygen on heating with the release of a large amount of heat energy or light energy, okay, is called combustion. Okay, means all those सारे substance और matter जो ऑक्सीजन या एयर के प्रेजेंस में, ऑक्सीजन या एयर के प्रेजेंस में इजिली क्या करते हैं, बर्न होने लगते हैं, फायर कैच कर लेते हैं. ओके, दो सबस्टेंस आर कॉल्ड व्हाट? कंबस्टाइल सबस्टेंस और इनफ्लेमेबल सबस्टेंस. एंड द प्रोसेस व्हाट? इसमें सारे सबस्टेंस क्या होते हैं? एयर के प्रेजेंट में बर्न होते हैं हीट करने पे, और दे रिलीज ए लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी एंड लाइट एनर्जी. और वो क्या करते हैं? बहुत ही ह्यूज अमाउंट में हीट एनर्जी और लाइट एनर्जी रिलीज करते हैं. ओके, okay, clear? So this process is called, okay, the burning of their substances process is called उन सभी तरह के substances की जो burning process है, okay, in the presence of air, it is called what? Combustion. Okay, it is called combustion. Okay, already you have seen in your atmosphere and surroundings, when we will provide the fire, okay, in the presence of air, like paper, dry cloths, easily they can catch the fire. How? Due to the presence of oxygen around that substance or air. Okay, clear students? So this is the combustion. Okay, the process of burning of the substance on heating in the presence of air or oxygen, and with the release of large amount of heat energy and light energy. Now, which substance just go through this process? कौन कौन से substance है, matter है जो इस process के through जब easily burn होते हैं, that are called. So now we'll discuss 2 points more: flammable or combustible substance. Okay, so those substances which can catch the fire in the presence of air or oxygen easily. Okay, those are called combustible or flammable substances. Examples: charcoal, paper, wood, dry cloths, okay, petrol, diesel, kerosene oil, LPG, CNG and coal fuels. Okay, students, means all those substances which can easily catch the fire. Okay, students, clear? means वो सारे substances जो एयर या ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में इजिली बर्न हो सकते हैं, आसानी से फायर को कैच कर सकते हैं. Those are called combustible substance or flammable substance, like this wood. Okay, this wood, okay, easily it can catch the fire. Students will provide the fire. Okay, this paper easily, this books paper easily it can catch the fire. This cloths easily it can catch the fire. Means these are example of combustible substance or flammable substance. But some other substances also present in our atmosphere और surroundings. कुछ ऐसे भी substance है, matter है जो easily फायर को कैच नहीं करते हैं इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एयर और ऑक्सीजन. व्हाट आर दोज आर कॉल्ड नॉन फ्लेमेबल और इनकम्बस्टेबल. ओके, नॉन फ्लेमेबल और इनकम्बस्टेबल सबस्टेंसेस. Those substances which do not catch the fire easily in the presence of air or oxygen. Okay, those are called non-flammable or incombustible. मतलब ऐसे सबस्टेंस जो इजली फायर को कैच नहीं कर पाते हैं इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एयर और ऑक्सीजन. ओके, एयर और ऑक्सीजन के प्रेजेंस में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ऑल द मेटल्स लाइक आयरन, गोल्ड, सिल्वर, ओके, एंड सम अदर ग्लास, माइका, सैंड, स्टोन, ओके, वेट क्लॉथ, वेट वुड, गीली लकड़ी. ओके, तो दीज आर द सबस्टेंस. ये सब ऐसे सबस्टेंस हैं जो इजली फायर को कैच नहीं कर सकते हैं. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? So these are called what? Non-flammable, okay, or incombustible substances. Okay, students, some more points remain in this unit. Heat. First unit, what? Sources of heat energy. Sources of heat energy. So basically, the largest, biggest source of heat energy is what? Sun. In the earth, what? In the universe, biggest source of heat energy is sun. Some other sources, earth, biomass, wood, fuels, coal, petroleum, diesel, okay, kerosene, iron. So we'll discuss later in the next class. If you wait out, you can ask. Okay, students, thank you. Have a nice day.